The KCBD Investigates team has learned Lubbock County Chief Medical Examiner Dr. Sam Andrews has made criminal allegations against the Lubbock County Commissioner. On January 30th, Andrews sent this email to county officials claiming Precinct 2 County Commissioner Jason Corley, who took office in January, made defamatory statements about Andrews, the ME's office, and the company that now runs it, National Autopsy Assay Group Pathology Labs. Andrews goes on to say that Corley is violating the law by obstructing governmental operations, official power, and official oppression. Investigative reporter Shaley spoke with Corley about the allegations and has his response. Shaley?
Abner, Corley says while Andrews sent this email to county officials on January 30th, no one told him about it until last Friday, when County Judge Curtis Parrish showed him the email, prompting Corley to write one of his own. Precinct 2 Lubbock County Commissioner Jason Corley.
There's some pretty ridiculous allegations on there against me.
Says he visited with Lubbock County Chief Medical Examiner Dr. Sam Andrews just days after taking office in January, after hearing allegations about the ME's office and the company running it, National Autopsy Assay Group Pathology Labs.
The allegations were made that excessive amounts of tissue were being harvested from bodies, specifically children, and the manner in which that they were being stored would imply that they were being kept for research.
Dr. Evan Matches, the CEO of NAG, has published academic articles regarding shaken baby syndrome, including this 2011 article titled "Shaken Infants Die of Neck Trauma, Not Brain Trauma," which, according to Corley, is where some of the allegations stem from.
That is a concern that's been brought up, that having NAG pathology here running the Lubbock ME's office gives them access to organs and bodies of children to continue that research. I was concerned about some of the allegations that were being made, so I went to see Dr. Andrews personally and discussed this with him, expressed my concerns, and told him that I wanted to be able to reassure my voters that that this was not going on in Lubbock County. So therefore I wanted to be present for all autopsies on minors.
It's a request Andrews addressed in his complaint, writing, "Perhaps the most alarming and frankly disturbing, Mr. Corley has demanded to be present at my office any time an infant or child has died so that he can see their deceased remains. There is no legitimate reason for Mr. Corley to see deceased children who are naked and undergoing examination in our office. In that regard, he has been banned from attending all autopsies."
I have no desire to witness the autopsy of a child, and I don't believe anyone does. However, with the allegations that are being made, somebody has to ensure that that this is not going on in Lubbock County. The County Commissioner's Court does have oversight over the medical examiner's office, so if not the commissioners, then who?
The KCBD Investigates team asked the county about the allegation and received this statement from Andrews, reading, "We only retain tissues from autopsies for strictly forensic reasons, in accordance with accepted practice standards. We do not, have not, and will not retain tissues for research purposes." Corley tells us in addition to the allegations of excessive autopsies, there are also allegations that Matches performed autopsies here in Lubbock County where he's not licensed.
I was sent pictures of Dr. Evan Matches holding a scalpel, leaning over a body in what appears to be the normal procedure for performing an autopsy. That being the case, that was what I was concerned about, just the liability there that the county could take on if in fact he is performing autopsies at the Lubbock County ME's office.
We asked the county about this allegation as well, but they tell us Matches was teaching morgue technicians the correct way to perform an autopsy, not performing one himself. The KCBD Investigates team reached out to elected Lubbock County District Attorney Sunshine Stanek about the allegations into the medical examiner's office, its staff, and Corley. Stanek said she cannot comment while a Texas Rangers investigation is underway. We do have additional information on this story and the many investigations we've done into the Lubbock County Medical Examiner's office on our website right now, kcbd.com. Abner.
Thank you, Shaley.